Hello, do you know how to read and write numbers over 100? If you don't, that's great, because we're going to teach you that today. Now, we're not going to write all the numbers in the world, because we don't have enough time for that in this video. But we are going to give you some examples. Now, we know that the number 100 looks like that. And what you need to know is how to read numbers that are bigger. So, you could have a number like this. How would you read that? What does that number say? If you don't know, that's why we're going to help you. So this number here, what you do is you count the hundreds first. So it'll be 200, and this is 3 for 30, because it's in the tens column, and this is 7 for ones, because it's in the ones column, or singles. So together, this would read 237. Okay? Do you know how to write that though as a word? Because that's a big one. So that would be like this, 230, so 30 would look like that, 37. Okay, so 237, so that's how you read and write it. Okay, what about this one? Let's go big one. What number is that? Can you tell me what number that is, or even how to write it? If you can do it on your phone right now, get a piece of paper and write it, I'll be so proud of you. Okay, what number is that? I'll give you a couple seconds. Well done, okay? Because remember, this is hundreds, so it's 900. And this one is tens, 50, and this is ones. So it'll be 951. And how you spell that is like this. 9, then 100, same thing above, okay, and then 50 is like that, 50, and then 1. That's 951. All right. Use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!